Hi, I'm here to announce the Eastlake Art Awards for 2020. The first award is the Art Star Award, and this award goes to a student who is inventive, creative, and created a very powerful portfolio with their work this year. This person is a total ray of sunshine and just really is a very awesome artist. Thank you so much, Ashley Buhner. You did a great job, and I just want to say thank you and give you this award for the Art Star Award. Yay! Okay, this next award is the ASB Art Award. Each year, a student is chosen to have their work purchased by the school. It's labeled with their name and framed and hung up permanently in the school. I chose this particular student because not only did they work really hard all year, had a very positive attitude, but they had a very special vision that they wanted to share. And that was for them to show how others see them. And I thought that was a really interesting and unique point of view, and they did a great job. And that was Mariam Ahmed. Thank you, Mariam Ahmed. You are terrific. Yay.
Hi everyone, Miss Okroy here, Science Department Chair, and I'm here to present the Golden Goggle Award to the top science students of the graduating class of 2020. Before I do that, just wanted to again say congratulations to all seniors that are graduating. We wish you the best and keep in touch. The students for the Golden Goggle Awards, these are smart, intelligent, resourceful, and dynamic seniors. They have taken some of the most challenging science classes that Eastlake has to offer, and not only did they survive those classes, but they were brilliant at them as well. These seniors have a strong work ethic, positive attitude, and helped their fellow students on a consistent basis. Not only were they active in the classroom setting, but they also participated in science endeavors outside of school, and some of them even were some of our officers for Science National Honor Society, Physics National Honor Society, and Computer National Honor Society. So we are excited to see what the future has in store for these seniors. So without further ado, I'd like to bring in Mr. Wessels to award these seniors. So let's give a hand to Mr. Wessels!
Class of 2020! 2020! Congratulations, Golden Goggle winners! I'm going to apologize in advance for those of you that I've never had before. I'm going to butcher your name. Sorry. All right, first up, Neha Dalia. Next is Siraj Dulipala. Nice job. Mahir Upadhyaya. Yeah, Rohit Ramesh. Next up is Taryn McQuiston. Nathan Zhang. Vicky Rachi. And last but certainly not least, Lucas Baskovich. Congratulations!
Congrats, everybody!
The Senior Award for Humanities in English goes to May the Kumar. Maida embodies the values that we want in a humanities student. She excels in the English classroom. Our department places a strong value on social justice, and Maida is a student who truly seeks to make the world a more just and equitable place through her writing, speaking, and advocacy. Congratulations, Maida. The winner for the Senior Award for Humanities in History is Matthew Lee. Matthew is a fantastic and critical thinker, and he's contributed showing excellence both academically as well as being a positive force in the classroom. Congratulations, Matthew.
All right, Wolves, Wellness Warrior number 1, Becca Goldfarb. Possibly the most genuine and kind person at Eastlake High School. Becca completed the task of taking every single health and fitness elective over her 4 years here. And it is our honor to say thank you to her for blessing us with her presence. Wellness Warrior number 2, Thomas McElfresh. Thomas has taken every PE class but walking and yoga, and in each class has excelled, whether it be outdoor adventures, net sports, team sports, but also excelled as an incredible teammate, an incredible human being that we are very, very lucky to have got the chance to spend time with over the last 4 years. Here's a little showmanship of his other skills as well.
Here is Piano Man.
Hi, this is Mrs. Mo. I'm here to announce the band awards. We have 3 awards that we give out. The Director's Award is the first one, and that this year will go to Bridget Wilson and Elliot McNear. Our second award is the Louis Armstrong Jazz Award, and that's going to Ben Allwright. And our final award is the John Philip Sousa Award for Band, and that is going to Josh Keller. Congratulations, everyone.
Hello, this is Mrs. Harris, and I am here to present the Orchestra Awards to the senior class of 2020. I give out 2 awards every year, the Director's Award and the National School Orchestra Award. This year's Director's Award goes to Matthew Brookshire, Simran Tandon, and Spencer Boyer. The National School Orchestra Award is given this year to Michelle Kim. Congratulations and best wishes.
Director's Award is given to Zoe Reitz, who has shown great loyalty, dedication, and assistance to the director and the Eastlake Choir. National School Choral Award is given to Melody Zhou in recognition of singular merit and achievement of outstanding contributions to the success of the Eastlake Choral Program. Thank you and congratulations, seniors.
Oh, hello there, Eastlake. You might be wondering what in the world I'm doing. Well, I'm just juggling these pie guys. They're tennis balls that have a pie symbol, and Miss Simon glued googly eyes and a little bit of hair to them. And we lovingly refer to these as pie guys, and they're the official math department award for our seniors. So we have 15 seniors that we'd like to recognize this year. These are students who have excelled in AP Calculus AB, AP Calculus BC, AP Statistics, or sometimes all 3. They ask great questions, they always give their best, and we just think that their work deserves some recognition. So those students are Bobby Iyer, Benjamin Burton, Isabel Burney, Hannah Burrows, Jeannie Chiang, Neha Dahlia, Sarah Deutscher, Malik Hadaraj, Megan Matapali, Victoria Raji, Andreas Stanescu, Meghana Vadlamudi, Oliver Wolf, Nathan Zhang, and Melody Zhu. Congratulations, you guys will find your Pi Guys and your math certificates next week. Congratulations, seniors, we love you.
みやちゃん、シニアアワードおめでとう。You have passion for learning Japanese. The whole world is waiting for you. I'm wishing you very, very best. おめでとう。
Bonjour Michel et félicitations. You are receiving the Senior French Award because of your passion for learning, dedication to excellence, and outstanding character. I wish you the best as you move forward. Bonne chance.
Con el cerebro en la cabeza y 2 pies en los zapatos, puedes descubrir el mundo donde quieras, de inmediato. Tú sabes lo que sabes, emprende ya el camino. Tú solo elegirás cuál será tu destino. Felicidades, Megan Matapali. Oh, cuán lejos llegarás.
Hello, my name is Mr. Barrett. I'm representing the CTE department. We've nominated 2 seniors for senior awards, one being Kaylee Birchfield and the other being Taryn McQuiston. Both of these students have been in my AP computer science classes. They both are very professional. They manage their time well. They're focused on their tasks. They're reliable and they're accountable. They're always exhibiting such a positive attitude. They're both remarkably gifted software developers. They thoughtfully approach problems and deconstruct them. They work well with a team. We here in computer science, we live in a collaborative environment. We don't do a lot of individual work. Well, there is some, but both Tarn and Kaylee work quite well with others. I'm just really thrilled to have had them in my class. They're exceptional students. They're exceptional human beings. They're both very kind and genuine. They're good-natured, affable, sharp wit, both of them, great smiles, and they're both deserving candidates for our senior awards. Thank you.
The Presidential Excellence Awards. The U.S. Department of Education, in partnership with the National Associations of Principals, developed an award to recognize and reward students who have achieved high academic goals through hard work and dedication to learning. Eastlake is proud to honor many of our seniors with this award. Students qualified by having a 3.5 cumulative GPA or higher, as well as scoring 85% or higher on the SAT or ACT total score that was reported to Eastlake. As always, we are so proud of our wolves.